I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil in your Nissan Maxima. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands on a flat surface. You'll need a 14mm socket for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Have about 5 1/10 quarts of zero-weight 20 synthetic oil ready, along with a new oil filter and a fresh crush washer for the drain plug. Safety is paramount, so double-check your setup before proceeding. Once your vehicle is safely elevated, warm the engine for a few minutes, then turn it off. Open the hood and remove the oil filler cap and partially pull out the dipstick. Next, locate the black plastic access panel on the passenger side under the engine and remove its fasteners. Place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug, which is usually a 14mm bolt. Carefully remove the plug and let the old oil drain completely, which can take several minutes. After the oil has drained, clean the drain plug area. Install a new crush washer onto the drain plug and thread it in by hand to prevent cross-threading. Tighten the drain plug to 25 foot-pounds. Now, move your drain pan under the oil filter, located near the passenger wheel well. Unscrew the old filter counterclockwise. Lubricate the new filter's rubber O-ring with fresh oil, then screw it on hand tight, followed by an additional half-turn with your wrench. With the new filter and drain plug secure, reinstall the access panel and carefully lower your vehicle. Now, it's time to add the fresh oil. Pour in about 5 1/10 quarts of the recommended zero-weight 20 synthetic oil. Replace the oil filler cap, then start the engine and let it run for a few minutes while checking for any leaks. Finally, turn off the engine, wait a moment, check the oil level with the dipstick, and reset your vehicle's oil life monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.